5 of the boys 400-meter dash is underway. Please clear the track. We need a coach from each team here at the tent, please. A coach from each team at the starters tent, please. Let's have second call for the 800-meter. Second call for the 800-meter. Get your number, get to the infield. Final turn and down the stretch for heat 5 of the boys 400-meter dash.